In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to calculate an edibles or topicals dosage when you use hash, keef, hash oil, honey oil, or one of the many versions of oil concentrates. If you bought your concentrate at a dispensary, the information you need to calculate dosage should be on the label. If not, you will need to estimate the percentage of THC in your concentrate. Refer to the lesson on estimating THC percentages for details. Okay, let's get started. In this example, we're using some keef we collected at home. For both edibles and topicals calculations, you first need to know the strength of your concentrate. So step one of our example is to calculate the cannabis strength. To do this, we enter the percentage of THC or CBD the concentrate contains. For our example, we're using keef, which is normally somewhere between 30% and 60% THC. Since ours came from decent quality weed, I'm going to estimate it at 55%. This gives me 550 milligrams of THC per gram of keef. In step 2, I will calculate the dosage per serving or per application of an edible or topical made with this keef. I enter how many grams of the concentrate are in my recipe or formula. For our example, we're going to use a half a gram or 0.5. Next, I'll enter the total number of servings my recipe makes or the number of applications my topicals formula will make. For this example, we will say that it's 20. When we enter 20 in this field, we will see that each serving of our edibles or each application of our topical will contain about 14 milligrams of THC. Feel free to adjust the step 2 numbers up or down to attain a specific dose you're looking for. For instance, add more concentrate or make fewer servings for a higher per serving dose.